This is the new Easy Block from VM Products. A ready-to-use bromadiolone wax block formulated for exceptional palatability and moisture resistance. Easy Block is an excellent all-around product, ideal for use with mice, rats, meadow voles, and warfarin-resistant Norway rats. The unique vanilla aroma of Easy Block is palatable to both rats and mice, and great for use in those areas where food availability are continuous issues for bait acceptance. The bait is manufactured using food-grade wheat flour, blended with chopped wheat, oats, and milk protein that's held together with edible waxes. With more sugar than the average block, the Easy Block is highly palatable to rodents. We use a manufacturing process called cold casting, giving the block great stability and strength while not allowing the components to become overly saturated with wax. Easy Block comes in 1-ounce blocks and is supplied with a hole in the center for threading onto spikes or bars. It can be easily secured inside all VM product bait stations. The bait comes in a standard 5-gallon bucket that holds 18 pounds of bait. The bucket will fit in a standard-size caddy or bucket tool organizer. VM Easy Block is made in a facility that has over 30 years of rodenticide manufacturing experience in the global marketplace. That's the Easy Block from VM Products. Proven, reliable, durable.